Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu Sq2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and to do it you can press any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu. And in this menu you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them that looks like this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color. It will say Do Not Disturb mode on, or rather DND on, and the icon, like I said before, will change the color to red. This indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. To disable it, simply press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu and tap on the icon again, and it will say DND off, and the icon will change to the gray color, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And you can then press the lower button to go back to watch face. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through settings. So let's press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Now scroll down, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called System and tap on it. And here, find the option called Do Not Disturb and tap on it. And right here we have the button or option called Status, and we can tap on it to switch it to on, which enables the Do Not Disturb mode, and tap on it again to disable it, which switches the status to off. You can also enable and disable the during sleep Do Not Disturb mode. And if your watch is paired with your phone, you can set the sleep time on your phone. And basically what it does, the Do Not Disturb mode turns on automatically at certain time and turns off automatically at certain time. Okay. And once you're done, again, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.